Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon.
That wasn't what we agreed on, and you know that. You're gonna regret this. Pretty soon, I'm gonna be so big, you're gonna beg me to hire you as my goddamn driver. Fuck you very much. Die, bitch.
You and me. Come on. You look like you need to practice.
I want to watch you wobble. How many games then?
Oh, it's been a long time since I saw you sweat and heard you moan, my little buttercup.
Oh, well, it's been a long time since you were a charming, attractive human being, my little pumpkin head.
Jesus, mind my heart, please.
On points like that, I worry for your health.
Wow, some rally. Oh, take a look at that. I really wish you'd make more jokes when we play.
That's where the money went. Winning doesn't matter. Let's remember that.
You can really play.
Focus!
Not bad for a fat old fucker.
Let's have a rally this time.
Not bad for a fat old fool.
Wait for it, baby.
Well, at least I hope you learned something. Let's see if the old man still got it.
Come on, Amanda.
Nice! You're great, Amanda.
I'm trying to think of my lessons, and I'm getting kind of flush.
Nothing says I love you like letting me win, my darling. You really are desperate, aren't you? Here comes the bullet, baby!
Your ass takes up half that court.
Look at that! Remember, I really love you.
Unplayable.
Still got the old magic.
I can't believe you won.
you, Tony. How dare you point that thing at me?
Stop with the emotions. You don't love me. You love what I represent. You love being the...
Dude, do you even have a penis? Or are you one of those hermaphrodites born without genitals?
tricks up her sleeves, huh?
Saying, I'm just a nightclub singer with a broken heart. I still love you, Tony.
Hold to yourself. You're in over your head and you're up here.
Damn. Jimmy! God damn. The fuck you doing?
Nothing.
Really? Because I keep hearing hermaphrodite this, suck cock that.
Go away.
What?
You know, go watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go away.
Shit. Fuck you!
What the fuck?
Disrespectful little asshole!
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit me?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah. No. I just want you to do something. Besides, sit there, eating.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait. I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, well, nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
I'm sorry. I just wish we could do things together.
Yeah, what things?
I don't know. Go for walks, play ball,
You know I have bad glands.
bike ride then.
Bike ride. You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine, let's go on a fucking bike ride.
Fuck me.
A bike ride along Vespucci Beach? Okay, Dad, I got just the thing to show you. This day was going so well until you showed up. You know that? Ugh!
Yeah, well, you're lucky to even be allowed out of the house after that boat stunt.
What's the big deal? If anything goes wrong, you can just fake your death and start all over. I'm going gray listening to this crap. Station change. Oh, hella yeah. How am I meant to develop my own moral sensibilities when yours are so unbelievably fuck-based?
Don't push me.
Seriously, some guys borrow your bow.
Burrow. You were hiding in the head crying kidnapped.
They just took receipt of your property with payment pending.
If it was anything other than what you told me, then that's on you.
All right, they fucking stole it. And who knows what they would have done if they found me. But I didn't expect or want them to get killed.
You think I'm gonna let some guys ride off with my son?
Look, I knew you were a bad guy, but...
Oh, a bad guy.
A crook, a killer, a thief, a liar.
I guess I've been all those things one time or another, right? Just
What?
I always thought I was the good guy.
God help the morally bankrupt planet your generation have left us. If you're the good guy.
Yeah.
Anyway, I always knew you were the kind of person who didn't let other people get in the way, but I hadn't, like, seen that happen before.
Yeah, well, that's me, Jim. And I've been trying my best to get things under control for the last 10 years. But that was an extreme fucking situation, and I had to act.
A normal person wouldn't have done that. Here we are, the bike rental place. Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of, like, force of habit.
Hey, you. 2 bites.
Take your pick.
Yo, thanks.
Hey, honey boo, you look great.
If I beat you to the end of the pier, you're buying me a new TV. Oh, no.
Into the pier? All right. But if I beat you, you're gonna behave like a human being.
Give it up, Dad. You've gone to sea. In this kind of condition, a triathlon would kill you. Try and get past this fat ass.
Oh, you been in the ocean? Are you just dripping sweat? You're a sore loser!
What the fuck, dude? You see that shit? You saw that shit. Whoa!
Ah. Looks like you're buying your own TV.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, I'm giving it my best shot. Come on, we're having fun, right?
You wouldn't know fun if it sat on your face.
Ah, come on.
I mean, why do I have to hold your hand through this whole midlife crisis bullshit? And why don't you stick your nose up Tracy's butt sometime?
Because Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that way.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are you talking about?
Actually, it's all happening right out there.
What?
That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft? You know the kind of boat, the one that makes a young, impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here, isn't it? You fuck. Ah!
Dad, wait! Look, if you do go, don't say I told you.
Thank you. I'm a dancer. Yeah.
Hey, man, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Dad?
Come on, sweetheart. Take me out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
That was
What?
your house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, Mr.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
Those walls can talk.
You think I do it?
Hey!
No!
Hey!
Shit,
Ain't cool,
Daddy.
man. What are you doing? Hey!
Man! I like him.
Problem.
You're such a jerk.
Come on.
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I. Go to the seat of my fucking boat. Oh, motherfuckers. Get on, now. I'm about to skin you alive. God damn it. Go.
Shit! They're coming after us! Go into that outlet! Ass off or my dad will, like, cap one of your asses! Oh god! Look! They're shooting at us! OMG! They're coming! Go into that outlet! Go away before my dad kills you!
If you say so, Trace. It's amazing what modern medicine can do.
You killed him! Oh my god, this isn't happening!
Take a deep breath, baby. It's okay. I'm taking you back to your brother.
I'm an accessory to murder!
No, you're not. You're an accessory to self-defense.
Have I, like, got to be a witness because I like, did some blow?
You did blow?
Yeah, I did some blow, and that might, like, make my testimony inadmissible.
You're not admitting anything. There won't be a trial unless you're on a trial for doing blow.
After you ruined my day, stole my friend's shit, capped them, and I'm the one on trial?
They started it. And we wouldn't be in this mess if you hadn't hung out with some creepy-ass porno people and done blow.
You didn't know I did blow until I told you I did blow, so this should be like an increase in trust and honesty thing. And porno dudes are like the best dudes I could be with.
Porno dudes? Really?
There he is! Jimmy, you gay-bag! You fucking asshole!
Listen, he's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV, and he took me to the beach. The beach, with my skin.
So what, you sent him out to spoil my date too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like he gets sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a cab.
Coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.